Do y'all remember all that hard work I did last weekend on cleaning our house? How? Like, how does this happen in a week? I just don't understand. Look at this. Again, a mess. Somebody help me understand what is happening here, because I'm thoroughly confused. Anyways, it is 1:30. I feel like I kind of got a late start today, which I don't know why, because I haven't really been doing anything. Actually, I filmed a video today. Kudos to me. And now I'm trying to edit it because I really want to post it today. But we'll see what happens between now and later, because y'all know, me and consistency, we just don't get along these days. But I do need to clean this kitchen before Bob gets home, because I told him that I would do that. But I'm almost done editing this video. No, let me go ahead and clean this kitchen real quick. Okay, kitchen is done. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was. The dishes kind of just freaked me out a little bit. This stuff here is stuff that I'm getting rid of. It came out of my YouTube room, and I just got rid of a ton of makeup, so I really don't have any use for these things anymore. I think I'm going to go ahead and put them on OfferUp and try to get rid of them that way. I don't know, or I'll just take them to Salvation Army or something. I'm pretty sure in my last vlog I mentioned that we had ordered a new bed, a king size bed. I was super excited about it. It was supposed to be coming yesterday, August 8th, and of course, because of COVID-19, it ended up getting pushed back a month, September 4th. The issue with that is that we ordered the bed and the mattress to come on the same day, because, you know, we were trying to outsmart the people, and we ended up getting outsmarted because, of course, the mattress came on time, but the bed did not. My bad, y'all. I got distracted. I'm actually watching a baby shower on Zoom, and I've never seen or been to a baby shower on Zoom, but COVID-19, y'all, is really just throwing a wrench in plans, or it's trying to throw a wrench in plans. I'll leave it at that. But yeah, so now we have our king size mattress stuff just sitting in the living room because the bed is not going to get here for another month. So, and I'm sorry, it just got really dark here all of a sudden. I feel like it's probably about to rain. I'm going to clear out this stuff real quick, and then I'll be back. Okay, that's better. Everything over here is stuff for the mattresses, so can't really do much with that, you know? It's still kind of early, so I think I can get away with posting this video today still, and this is just going to be a video on styling head wraps. If you guys are watching this vlog, that means that this video should already be live anyways. Let's talk about COVID-19, y'all. How have y'all been handling it? Like, I feel like I have had such a love-hate relationship with where COVID-19 has people, and my feelings about it tend to go back and forth like every month or so. At first, I loved it because it's like, I don't go anywhere anyways. I was complaining about, not complaining about work, but my job already had a policy where we could work from home. It's been so long, I don't even remember. I think it was like it was either 1 or 2 days a week we could work from home. And I would always be like, I don't need to be at work to get my job done. And then COVID-19 happened, and it's like, okay, everybody's working from home. Everybody just go home. And I was like, ooh, this is exactly what I wanted, like, to work from home every single day. So that was cool. And I mean, the fact that everything was closed, it didn't really bother me at the time, because it was like I didn't have plans to go anywhere, and I don't go anywhere anyways. Like, the only places that I do go is like, oh, Ross or the grocery store or something like that. But after the first few weeks, I'm like, bruh, I need to like see other people besides Bob. Like, Bob and I have just been cooped up in this house together. So even with that little bit of hate starting to build, I had another love part, because this is probably gonna sound worse than it is, but it's like, I know that I don't like to be around people 24/7. Like, I don't like people in my space all the time. Sometimes I just want to be alone to do nothing. Like, I just want to sit in the presence of my own self or whatever. So I was like, dang, I hope me and Bob don't get on each other's nerves. But we did not get on each other's nerves. And like, now we're starting to annoy each other a little bit, but it's like the typical annoying each other, not like, I'm sick of being in this house with you, you need to get out, or like, I need to get out and go somewhere for fresh air or something like that. So that was nice, because I'm like, oh dang, we really do love each other, Bob. Like, look at us. But then it's like, okay, with the baby shower, dang, this really takes away from the experiences that people are used to having, like birthday parties, baby showers, graduations. So many things have had to change. And I don't know if that's a good or bad thing at this point. It could just be what needs to happen for whatever's supposed to happen. You know, like, we have to get thrown out of our comfort zones. And that's okay too, but it's like, dang, it sucks. Because it just happened so abruptly. It wasn't like a small transition into these changes. It's just like, no. COVID-19 is real. COVID-19 is real for those of you out there who feel like it's a hoax, or like, I don't know what you people got going on, but COVID-19 is real. People are dying. We need to put a stop to all of this stuff. And that makes it weird, and that makes it like, dang, I just wish this would be over already. But then again, on the other hand, it's like, okay, well, this has really forced people to come out of their comfort zones. Like, this has forced people to really go above and beyond to interact with other people, because like, we can't just do the normal stuff that we're used to. Like, for me personally, I suck at keeping up with people. So it helps me to have to see them in person, because then it's like, okay, I'm going to talk to you in person. I know I don't have to keep up with you like via social media, or call you or FaceTime you, or like online or something like that. Because when I'm home, I'm not thinking about keeping up with people. Like, I'm just thinking about doing whatever I'm doing at the house. But it's like, a lot of people are taking advantage of the opportunity to come up with innovative and like different ideas that they wouldn't normally have had to do to keep up with their family. Like, Bob's family, they get on a Zoom call every weekend. It's like the cutest thing ever, just to talk to each other, see each other, like whatever, engage with each other. And like, people are doing these virtual baby showers and stuff like that. And it's just like, there's still opportunities to show people that you care about them, to interact with them. And that's like a really cool thing too. So I don't know. COVID-19 has me in this like whirlwind of emotions. And then another bad thing is like furniture delivery. Why is everything so backed up? Which I understand it's because obviously inventory is low, because people haven't been able to work as much as they used to. Like, factories have been shut down, things like that. But that is so annoying, because right now COVID-19 is also affecting the economy. People are trying to get out there and buy houses because like interest rates are dirt cheap. It's like, okay, you're gonna buy a house and you're gonna be waiting 2-3 months for your furniture to come. Like, our couch is not even coming until October, and we bought it on the 4th of July. Our bed was supposed to come yesterday, and it's not coming until another month, September 4th. So yeah. But I mean, outside of that, I feel like a lot of good has come from this crazy situation that we're in. Like, spiritually speaking, I feel like a lot of people have started to find Christ only because they're in this situation where it's like, I literally don't know what else to do. Like, I'm just here with my own thoughts, and like, I just don't have any other options right now. Let me try this. And though that may or may not be a good reason to try God, quote unquote, if you try him, you're gonna love him. So I think more people are like coming to Christ during this time, and just starting to understand who he is and giving their lives to him. And that is a beautiful thing to see. It's amazing to see that, like, at least my church, because I can't really speak for other churches, I don't know what other churches are doing, but my church has, I would say that we have definitely grown during this time, because like with the streaming and stuff, we've been able to reach so many more people. And of course, there's still work to be done, but I'm just happy that this COVID-19 situation has like strengthened the ministry instead of weakening it. Like, let's just be real. Churches need money to operate. Like, churches have bills and stuff too. So with people being out of work or getting laid off, stuff like that, they may not have as much income to give to the church, which could put the church in a bad situation. But our church hasn't been in, like, we haven't seen any decrease, which is amazing. Like, that's just how you know God is moving and working. And just like, if you remain faithful. And I posted something on my Instagram the other day about just how Bobby and I have really put God at the forefront of our finances. And we have seen so many blessings, just like not just recently, but like over the years, how money has just literally, it seems like it's falling out of the sky into our hands. And it's like, where's this stuff coming from? But I know that it is because we have been faithful to God. We have continued to tithe, no matter what that looks like, no matter what financial situation we find ourselves in. Because there have been times where it's like, Bob thought he was going to have to pay like $800 a month for his student loans. It's like, okay, well, where the heck are we going to get $800 extra a month just for your student loans when we already pay out this other stuff? Or it's like, okay, with COVID-19, my job, like now we're only working 4 days a week, which means we're getting 20% less pay. Things like that happen, and I feel like those are all opportunities for you to show God how faithful you are to Him. Show Him that you trust Him, because it's like, with those situations, because of everything that God has already done for us in our finances, I didn't stress at all, because it's like, I already know this is going to be taken care of. Like, why would He do all of that stuff before just to put us in a situation where it's like, okay, now we have this house, now we have other things that we're working on, and we're not able to take care of it. So yeah, I don't know how I got on the topic of that, but I'm pretty sure I was talking about how COVID-19 has just shown people that they can be faithful to God and trusting of God in the midst of what is happening, or at least I hope that's what it's doing, because I really feel like you can either go to a really bad place or go to a really good place. And because I have Jesus Christ in my life, I haven't been in a bad position where it's like, this stuff is stressing me out. Like, I just feel so not at peace with what is happening around me, and everything is negative. Like, I just look around me and I see nothing but bad stuff happening. I haven't been in that space in a while, especially not because of COVID-19. And I know that that's because I have Jesus in my life. So I hope that out of everything, COVID-19 is just really bringing people closer to God, honestly. Anywho, it is almost 2:30. I'm going to try to finish up this video so that I can post it or schedule it to post at 5. And Bob just texted me and said he's on his way home. So I'm going to see what he wants to eat for dinner. I really want some Jamaican food, like some jerk chicken or some oxtail, some curry goat. Ooh, curry goat sounds so good. Yeah, let me go ahead and finish up what I'm doing here before Bob gets home, and then I'll circle back with y'all. Babushk came through. All right, y'all, my video is posted. My belly is full. And honestly, I don't have anything else to do today. So I think I'm gonna just cut it here. I do need to go to Walgreens and get some razors and toilet paper, but that's gonna take 2 seconds. And that's not really fun, so I'm not gonna take you guys with me. But yeah, until next time, guys.